Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change network name on mobile hotspot in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change network name on mobile hotspot in Windows 10, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Network and Internet. Now click on Mobile Hotspot. Here in Mobile Hotspot, you will find the network name, and now my network name is My Wi-Fi. And if you want to change this network name, just click on Edit, and here you can change the name. I'm changing to My Internet. Now click on Save, and look, the name has been changed to My Internet. This is the easiest way to change network name in mobile hotspot on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.